Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervous Specialist. So I just want to let you see the guys catching how they lowered basically the fifth wheel down by extending the legs, you know, picking the unit up. So we actually put some stands underneath the back of the coach, and they're doing what we call the teeter-totter effect, right? So they're picking up the unit with the stand underneath. When they get it up a little bit higher, they're going to go ahead and put another jack stand underneath this area, and they're going to go ahead and put stands underneath the front area. That way the unit supported just like a 6-point leveling jack system. So we pretty much do that to most of the units. Sometimes they'll have the the hydraulic jacks like this one has on there on the sides, and we'll use those in conjunction with what we're doing. So as you can see, there's two guys, one operating the forklift. We do a real good job at communication. A couple things we always talk to ourselves about is action and communication, making sure that we're doing everything correctly. So yep. So all right, well, stay tuned for more. I believe they're going to do a wheel bearing pack on this one, and we will find out what else that they see when they get down in there. So thanks so much for watching.